Hey, Cohen here, and check this out. I am actually at the Duke Cancer Center in Durham, North Carolina, and I'm actually here with someone that I care about very, very, very much. And every time I come here, I just, I can't help but notice the number of people, number one, that are affected by cancer. Like this entire facility, it's huge. You probably can't tell, right? Let me just show you guys. It is incredibly huge. There's a ton of different buildings that are here. But I can't help but notice, number one, how many people actually come here on a regular basis. People from literally all walks of life. I mean, some of the cars that you see that pull up here, you see like the hoopties that pull up, and you see like, I mean, I've seen a Lamborghini pull up one time. So you see people that are young, old, people that look like they're super healthy, and then some people that look like, they're having an extremely bad time dealing with it right now. You see people that are, you see black, white, all nationalities. You see people with different religious beliefs, and it does not discriminate, right? As a matter of fact, life in itself does not discriminate. Man, we could be living an amazing life at one moment, and then the next moment things change. We could just be living a so-so life, right? Getting by. And at the next moment, the next second, we get news that totally changes things, right? I think that for that reason alone, we should always play all out. I think we should never live small for that reason alone, because we never know when things can change, right? We should never settle. You should be thankful, you should be grateful, yes, but not use that as an excuse to like settle and say, I'm thankful for where I'm at, or I'm happy with where I'm at. Yes, always be thankful, always be grateful, always be happy, but never settle. There's so much more that you could be doing, right? And who knows, when your chance to move forward, to continue to grow, will come to a halt. For that reason alone, you should not be downplaying your ability. You should always be trying to live up to your full potential, regardless of what that is. I mean, it could be your full potential as a parent, as a mother, as, an actor, as an employee. Whatever it is that you're looking to do that rests heavy on your heart or on your head, you should be looking to go out and do that, because you never know when you would never, or when you may not get the chance to do it again, right? So, hey man, play all out, be grateful, be thankful, but never, ever, ever play small. By you just playing big and just choosing to do more and really step into the person that you deserve to be, you never know who else you're influencing. You never know who else is watching. You never know who else is looking, right? So if this message reaches you, hopefully it reaches you. I mean, listen, where I'm at right now, I still have an enormous amount of growth to continue to go through, right? But if you had asked me when I was 20, when I was 25, when I was 30, when I was 35, if I would ever think that I would be here right now where I'm at, just having a great life, a great family, great wife, great kids, health is good, man, I would not have thought so. My life was a mess when I was 20, 25 years old. I was confused, didn't know what I wanted to do, had no direction, right? So hell, I still don't know what I want to do, right? And I think everyone is like that, right? But we continue to grow, we continue to push, we continue to move forward, and you never settle. That's the part when you stop growing, is once you decide to settle, once you decide to get complacent, and once you let the words "I'm okay" or "I'm satisfied where I'm at right here," that's when you stop growing. That's when you stop growing. So, hey man, lady, man, whatever it is that is, like I said, is heavy on your heart right now, go ahead and shoot for it and try your best, right? You never know what you can accomplish unless you try, right? Regardless of your background, regardless of where you come from. Go ahead, give it a shot. and make today that day that you look back and you're like, man, I remember watching this video from Ty and it totally changed things for me, right? So there you go, and I'll see you. Leave a comment below, share this if it's touched you, and let me know if you guys want me to continue to share content like this. If so, then I'll keep it rocking. Peace out.